welcome to the latest video for Score Settled. We are going to take up another set of 5 questions in this. So make sure you make a note of it and take out or extract important points from the video, right? So let's start. Now, first question. If the probability function for a random variable x is given as fx is equal to x plus 3 divided by 15, when x is equal to 1, 2 and 3, find the sum of the values of the probability distribution for x. So probability distribution can seem to be a little haunting for some of the students, but it is extremely easy. Such questions are very easy to score. Let's see. Now, what we have to do is, in this one, we just have to substitute the value of x in this, right? So it is x is equal to 1. So f1 is equal to 1 plus 3 upon 15, which is equal to 4 by 15. f2 is equal to your 2 plus 3 divided by 15, which is equal to 5 by 15. And f3 is equal to 3 plus 3 divided by 15, which is equal to 6 by 15, right? And we take a sum of all these three, we get 15 by 15, which is equal to 1, right? So 1 is the answer in this case. It's that simple, okay? Now, next, calculate the standard deviation for the following sample of 8, 7 and 9. Now, students might first think that they should just substitute the values in the standard deviation formula, take the under root and so on, right? But that is actually not required in this question. Okay, let's see how. Now, we've given a sample size of 8, 7 and 9. So first we take a mean of it, right? 8 plus 7 plus 9 divided by 3. So we get what we get, 24 divided by 3, which is equal to your 8. Okay. In this question, after calculating the mean, first we need to find the variance. For the variance, first we have to find x minus x mean, the whole square. Okay, so x is given as 8 minus 8 is the mean, that is 0 square is 0, right? Plus 7 minus 8, that is minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1, right? Plus 9 minus 8, the whole square, that is 1 again. So we've got it 2, right? To calculate the variance, we have to divide this summation figure by n minus 1. n is 3, that is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. This is our variance. So standard deviation is what? Under root of variance, right? Or variance is the square of standard deviation. So what we have to do is under root of 1. Okay, so this is the right answer in this case. Okay. Now, very important thing in your multiple choice question is that you have to save time as well. Okay, so there is no harm in, doing your work smartly. Okay, so find out a smart way of solving the questions. Observe the multiple choices that are given, observe the question and think smartly. Okay, now, which of the following is not a type of non-random sampling? So now firstly you can write it down that what are these types of samplings. First is your convenience sampling. Okay, convenience sampling is that it selects your participants based on the immediate availability that is there, based on the convenience, okay, of the interviewer, right? So that is your convenience sampling. So it is a non-random sampling, okay? So because it is not based on probabilities, but it is based on the convenience of the interviewer. Second is your cluster sampling. Cluster sampling is that you divide the population into different clusters and then select from those clusters, right? So this is a kind of a random sampling. It has probability attached to it. Okay, so the answer is cluster sampling. Let's go to other things also. Your quota sampling. that is your you are choosing your respondents based on a certain quota that is there in your mind, that okay, I will select only 15 respondents, or I'll select only 20 respondents. That's it. That's my sample size. Okay, so you already have one quota in your mind, one predetermined number of respondents that are needed for your project. Okay, so that is there. So this is also a non-random sampling. Okay, and snowball sampling is that it is based on a referral method. Okay, it is also called a chain referral method basically. So what happens is that your first set of respondents refer you to your future respondents as well. So for example, you go to one household for an interview, they are like, take the interview of my neighbor as well, and it actually happens in real life. So once you pursue your research in the field area, it will actually happen. So they will start recommending you to the respondents. So as a result, your sample size will automatically start increasing. Okay, so the answer to this is your cluster sampling. Now, according to monetarist thought, the natural rate of unemployment output is not determined by. The first thing you need to understand here is that according to this monetarist school of thought, the unemployment rate or the output rate, they are determined by the factors. Okay, so they are mainly influenced by the classical school of thought. So real factors like your labor market which is there, the technology which is there, and so on. So they are mainly based on real factors. Now what we have to find is the natural rate of unemployment and output is not determined by, first, capital stock, it is a real variable, right? Labor force is a real variable. Technology is a real variable. But the answer to this is your aggregate demand. Last question is that expenditure towards the maintenance of embassies and diplomatic missions are included in which of the following account of the balance of payment? Right now, maintenance, we can say, is a kind of recurring, it's a recurring kind of an expenditure. Okay, maintenance, regular maintenance, you're not creating a capital, but you're just maintaining it. So it's a regular kind of an expenditure. So whenever there is a recurring kind of an expenditure, it comes under your current account, which is the answer. Why it is not included in your capital account? Because there is no asset that is being built. We are just maintaining an already existing asset that is there, right? Official reserves account, it only includes your foreign reserves, right? Like gold, foreign exchange, and so on. It is not concerned with foreign embassies, their maintenance expenditure, nothing at all. Just the official foreign reserves that are there. And errors and omissions account is just the minor errors that are there, right? Which can be committed. Okay, so current account is the answer to this. So these were the set of 5 questions, and we'll see you with another set of questions in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.